Imagine waking up one morning to discover that the money you've been using all your life has been completely replaced by something digital, something borderless, something revolutionary. Sounds wild, right? Well, guess what? It's happening right now. Welcome to CryptoWini, your ultimate guide to decoding the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Are you ready to learn how Bitcoin, Ethereum, and blockchain are reshaping the financial future? Whether you're a curious beginner or a crypto enthusiast, this video is packed with essential knowledge to help you master the digital money revolution. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to CryptoWini and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update about cryptocurrency and finance. Let's unlock the secrets of the digital economy together. And hey, don't forget to check out our website at cryptowini.com for even more in-depth resources. Oh, and stick around because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how crypto works, but also discover how you can become part of this financial revolution. Let's dive in. Alright, let me ask you this. Are you tired of banks taking forever to process your transactions, charging hidden fees, and keeping all the control? Well, what if I told you there's an alternative, an exciting new way to take charge of your finances? Enter cryptocurrency digital money that isn't controlled by banks, governments, or anyone else. It's fast, transparent, secure, and gives you the power to be your own bank. Now I know this might sound like something out of a sci-fi movie, but trust me, it's as real as it gets. And hey, if you're thinking, but isn't crypto just a fad? Well, you're not alone. My mom thought the same thing. Until Bitcoin started outperforming her retirement fund. Winks. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Think of it like digital trading cards with real-world value. But unlike regular money, there are no physical coins or bills. It exists entirely online and is powered by something called blockchain technology. Okay, picture this. You and your friends are working on a Google Doc and everyone can see every change in real time. Now imagine that every change is super secure and can never be deleted. That's blockchain, a permanent, transparent, and unhackable record of every transaction. Let's start with Bitcoin, the OG of cryptocurrencies. Created in 2009 by the mysterious Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was designed to rebel against traditional banking systems. It's often called digital gold because it's limited. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. But if Bitcoin is gold, Ethereum is the Swiss Army knife of crypto. Not only can you use it as money, but you can also build entire applications on its network. Think about decentralized finance, digital art NFTs, or even automated insurance systems. Ethereum does it all. Oh, and here's a juicy tidbit. Ethereum enables smart contracts, which are like digital agreements that execute themselves automatically. Imagine not needing a lawyer for your next big deal. Alright, now for the million-dollar question, how do you get started? Here's a simple, teen-friendly investment approach I love. The 50-30-20 rule. 50% in stable cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum, 30% in promising alternatives, and 20% in experimental high-risk projects. And remember, never invest more than you can afford to lose. Crypto is exciting but volatile. Keep your investments diversified and your research game strong. If Alex, a 17-year-old student, can turn $100 into a profitable learning experience, you can too. Before you rush in, let's talk security. Your cryptocurrency is stored in something called a wallet. Think of it as your digital vault. Here's the breakdown. Hardware wallets are offline, super secure, and best for large amounts. Software wallets are convenient but less secure, great for beginners. Exchange wallets are good for trading but risky to hold long-term. Here's a quick checklist to stay safe. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. Remember, in the crypto world, security is everything. So, where is cryptocurrency headed? From central bank digital currencies to sustainable blockchain solutions, the future is bright and filled with opportunities for tech enthusiasts, investors, and innovators alike. And speaking of opportunities, did you know blockchain developers earn six-figure salaries? Whether you're an aspiring coder, analyst, or entrepreneur, crypto is paving the way for next-gen careers. But what about the environmental impact of cryptocurrency? Is it all sunshine and rainbows, or is there a dark side? Well, you'll have to check out our video on eco-friendly cryptocurrencies to find out. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Alright, crypto explorers, we've only scratched the surface of this exciting digital revolution. If you found value in today's video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It helps more than you know. And don't forget to visit our website, cryptowini.com, for even more insights into the world of cryptocurrency and finance. Lastly, click on the video popping up on your screen right now to learn more about cryptocurrencies. It's a must-watch if you care about saving money, and this is where we make crypto simple, exciting, and achievable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to CryptoWini for more simplified, engaging, and actionable content on cryptocurrency and finance. See you in the next video.